Unsatisfied with your snare drum sound? Here are 4 easy steps you can follow even if you have a very cheap snare. Get new heads is the first one. Yes, it costs a little money, but it makes a huge difference if you have fresh drum heads. Second is increase the tension of the bottom head. Most tune it too low. Increase it evenly and gradually on all rods, and a bit more here where the snare wires run over the bearing edge. Third, the snare wires have to be exactly centered, so they have to have the same distance to the bearing edge on both sides. And fourth, you can change the tension with this little screw, and it makes a huge difference. There is a sweet spot for each tuning. I like to have it a bit lower so the snare can really breathe. Here is the direct comparison. Of course, that depends on the music you play and your personal taste. Maybe you even like the first one better, but if you like the second one, now you know how to achieve this, and in this video you get a lot more tips on how to tune the snare drum.